everybody, and welcome back. It's Ashley here, and in this tutorial we are going to be flipping this entryway piece. So story time. I picked this up from the Goodwill for only $6.99, and when I saw that ticket and it says $6.99, I snatched it up so quick because at one of the Goodwills that I go to, if you do not get that piece the same day, you're not going to have it. It's going to be gone. So anyways, as you can see, there's bowing at the bottom here. That's going to be a quick, easy fix. There was water damage at the top. That's going to be a quick, easy fix. So you know what? Let's just get started. All right, so of course, the first thing we're going to do is remove the hardware with our screwdriver. So the next step was sanding. As I started to sand, I already knew this wasn't real wood, but it turned out that it was like particle board underneath there. So we're going to get to that in another part of this video, but I just wanted to show you guys that I did do this step, although I didn't need to. The next thing was I put these weights on there. I kept them on there for about 2 or 3 days. I had wet that part a little bit, and it bent it right back into place. All right, so now it's time for painting. I'm using Waverly and Cashew, and of course what I always do first is I water down the paint just for the first coat. Okay, so here we go. I like to show you guys my little trial and errors, which this was definitely an error. As you can see with the paint up here is getting that spongy texture. So this wasn't going to work because the paints were 2 different like colors after I did the first coat. I mean, I'm pretty sure I could have made it work if I kept sanding it, but I wasn't about to do all that. When in doubt, plank it out. That's what I love to do. And you know your girl went to go get some planks. So the next step that I'm doing here is I'm going to be using this poster board. I picked it up from Walmart, 97 cents a piece, and we are going to trace the base, well not the base, but the top of the entryway table so that when I put the planks on top, we can just use our jigsaw and cut out the same exact design. And this is what it looks like after I traced it out. And then, of course, the next step is to use my scissors to cut. Okay, so now I'm measuring and making sure that I have an inch hang off on each side of the wood. And then we're going to come to our miter saw and cut. All right, so now we're going to go in with our chalk brush here, and I'm just going to start doing our second coat. All right, so I numbered the wood so I'll know the order when I'm finished staining. So the stain we're going to be using is weathered oak, and I am putting on the first coat now, and I'm leaving it on there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to wipe it off. So after I stained it with the weathered oak, I only did 1 coat of the weathered oak too, just to let you know. But I'm coming back with dark walnut, just a little bit of dark walnut to darken the wood just a little bit more. Alright, so then we come in with our nail gun. I'm using finishing nails because you can't see them as much. But if they are a problem, if you do kind of see a little bit of them, you can always come in with your wood filler and fill them in. Okay, so now I'm using my clamps, and I'm going to clamp down that piece of paper that we traced so that we can cut it out with our jigsaw. And here we are doing our first cut. Let me tell you, when I first started this, it was like a really jagged, not clean cut. And I was like, what is going on here? And it's because I had the blade turned the opposite way. But as you can see, I'm going to come back and I'm going to clean it up the correct way and see how like so much easier and smooth it's going. I'm like, when I did it, I was like, what is going on here? But yeah, I'm just going to clean it up now with the jigsaw. Use my palm sander, 220 grit paper, and I am just smoothing everything out, curving the edges so everything looks bomb. All right, and the next step, of course, is to come in with their stain and just clean up what was messed up. And we're done. Whatever you want to say, we're finished, okay? I love how this turned out. It's sealed with polyurethane on the top and satin, the bottom polyacrylic. I just love it, okay? I love the clean look that it has. I didn't know distressing or anything, kept the same hardware. I was totally gonna sell this piece, but I was like, no, I love it too much, so I kept it. I can't keep everything, but I wanted to keep this one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you like, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial.